Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I am so glad you're here, and we are going to be cutting the bottom of a water bottle off and make art with it. Now, I'm not new to it, but I am new to this huge spinner that I'm going to be using today from Erica Hughes Art. I am absolutely excited about creating this piece of art because it is going to be dictating how I proceed with a large 4-foot by 4-foot commissioned painting that I'm going to be putting into Nellies restaurant in Harriman, Tennessee. And I figured this technique would be a really cool technique to go large with. So let's see if we can't get this figured out. Hi, I have you on my huge table in my studio. We're going to do a bottom of the bottle pour. If you haven't seen any of those on my channel, I'm going to link some above. I'll link a playlist. We're going to do a 20 by 20 canvas. Look at this. Look at this beauty. Oh my God. This is amazing. I've got it all wrapped up with my press and seal, but I have 3 extender arms, and you'll see those in other videos. I have a smaller one that I got for like a 13-inch, but yeah, listen. Oh my gosh, that's amazing. This is a 20 by 20 gallery wrapped artist loft canvas. What we're gonna do is we are going to spray the back of this. Let's tape it right fast. It'll take us but just a second. Didn't take long. Bam, done. Okay, all done. Now, let's see. These little clips, they just move and they just go right on there. All right, for a bottom of the bottle pour, I have my flow extender. I've got my bottom of the bottom. And what I do is I take this white paint, and like I said, I've never spun it out, but I want to try to do that today, which this is just practice, and I can make another one of these. What I'm really looking for is I'm looking for the color combination that I want for her restaurant. So it's really not about the actual design today. It's really about the colors. So let's put this white under here. Is that enough? And it's a 20 by 20, so it doesn't matter really which way my design is going. But since I'm on this side of the table, let's pour this way. And this is just the bottom of a water bottle. So I have Van Dyke Brown by Amsterdam. I mixed Amsterdam Permanent Red Purple and Amsterdam Azo Orange and got this beautiful color here so that I could kind of color match one of her colors. I have Amsterdam Sky Blue Light. I have Arteza, of course, Bordeaux Red. It's beautiful. I mixed Titanium Buff Light and the Van Dyke Brown to get me like this beigey color. I have Amsterdam Gold Yellow here. And I mixed Primary Yellow and Titanium White to get me a really beautiful light yellow. And I'm gonna put them in this order in 2 cups. Now the other colors I am going to pour on the sides because I don't want the colors to mix. I really love this technique, and when I first started my fluid art journey, I watched a lot of pouring videos, and this is one of the first techniques I tried, and I absolutely loved it, and I used to do it all the time. And my very first video on my channel years ago was this technique. Okay, so I'm just gonna lift this up and pour this down the side. Hope all of you had a wonderful holiday. We had some issues with our plumbing, so it wasn't super happy holiday, but we did get it fixed, and you know, it is what it is. But other than that, we had a pretty good holiday. We spent it with some family, some friends who have become family, I should say. We don't live real close to our family, so Makes it real hard to spend time with family during holidays, but we do miss them. Hopefully my cups are big enough. I think they are. Now, my last attempt at this, I used metallics. It's really a pretty painting. I did not film it, but this one, there are no metallics in it. Thinking I might like this one better. I don't know. We'll see. All right. Ooh, that is really full. All right. So I'm going to take this one over here, and I'm going to do one cup at a time. I'm going to pour this from the yellow. Here we go. Actually pour it on that side, that way you can see it. Oh, there you are. Right there. Kind of took it a while before I started, but it's working now. Okay. Love that Bordeaux red. It is pretty. Whew. I'm going to do this other cup. Same position. Right there. There we go. Looks good. Oh yeah. Comes that dark chocolate. Okay. Whew. You have to breathe a little bit. That's pretty. Just getting the rest of this paint out of these cups. If you've ever watched me, I usually tilt this, and it's gonna be quite interesting to see how it reacts to spinning. I'm pretty excited, actually. Oh, I love that custom. It's like a bright peachy orange color. Oh, it's pretty. A watermelon-y almost. It's pretty. I think I like these colors better. You want a flow extender so that your composition doesn't roll over itself. So we're just going to, oh, this makes it so much easier. So if you have been on the fence about getting a bigger spinner, please, by all means, go check out Erica Hughes and her spinners. My husband is a woodworker, and he said, babe, check out to see how much it would cost for her to make you one and to make you what you need. He said, because I can buy the material and I can jig up to make it. He said, but would it be in our best interest and cost point and time for me to make you one? If they already do it, would it just make sense for her to do it for you? And I said, I don't know. Let's find out. And sure enough, cost effective and, I mean, absolutely worthwhile. Just made sense. They do it. It's what they do. And it is just absolutely what I needed. Thank you so much, Tom and Erica. I'm so happy. So happy with my choice. Look at this. So the next thing we're gonna do is we are going to pull that white. Okay. We're gonna pull the white out from the middle with our skewer. Oh, that's deep. I like to do a couple of swirly swirls in the middle. But the rest of them are just lines. All right, looks like we are in business, and right there, yeah, wow. All right, let's spin it, see what it looks like. Now I've got my little clips against the canvas, so it's not gonna go flying. So I'm gonna actually hit it pretty hard. Oh, I'm really gonna love this. Spin the other way. Want to try to get this off here. Oh my God, that's pretty. Oh yeah, this is like a game changer for me. I absolutely love using the spinner for my bottom of the bottle ring pours. Oh my goodness, it's beautiful. Wow. Okay, yeah, that's what I wanted. Holy cow, Mo. Holy cow. Pretty happy with that. Let me torch it. Super happy with this. Let me get you guys down. Look at that. It's super, super amazing. Hold on a second. Okay. Wow. Super insane. Wow. See how it just vortexes around? How when I spun it out? Oh, super cool, super cool. Can't wait to show you guys this dry. Hold on one second and I'll be back. Wow. Holy cow, look at that. Okay guys, here is the dried result of the painting. Oh my gosh, it's beautiful. It's beautiful in every way. I love the vortex of the spin, as I was talking about. Oh, let me get this, okay. Let me wait for my thing here. Absolutely beautiful. Let's see if I can get this out here. Yeah. Look at the shadow. So pretty. Super, super pretty. Now the other one that I did had metallics in it, but I really love this one. It has such definition in the color, and I think with it, when we go bigger, it'll be super pretty. So yeah. Super pretty. You guys let me know what you think in the comments. I appreciate you guys being here, and we'll talk to you guys soon.